today I want to talk about 1099s and touch a little bit on W-2s because this is my question for the week. What do I do if I did not get the 1099? What do I do? Do I report the income? Like, how do I put it on my return? Or, hey, let's say you've already done your accounting, like many of my clients have already done their accounting, and they're like, oh, but let me give you the 1099s. Well, if you've already done your accounting and the 1099 was issued to your business tax ID number, one of the key things that you gotta do when you get a 1099 as a business owner and even as a person, but especially as a business owner, check the EIN number that 1099 was issued to. Because if it was issued to your business, then it's already been included in your business revenue. Because usually I'm thinking, and you can verify this with your accountant, but when you do your accounting throughout the year, the money from the payee is sent directly to your business bank account and it's captured there. And then your accountant captures that revenue either when you invoice the client or when the client pays you or the payee pays you. So the income is already in your total revenue. So if you are a Schedule C or whatever business form you file, if you then take that 1099 and try to report it, you've then double counted income. So guys, be very, very careful to make sure that you're not double counting the income. So one of the main things I want you to make sure that you do, and you bring it up to your accountant who's doing your taxes, and hopefully you have an accountant doing your taxes and not just a tax person. But make sure you bring that up to your accountant to say, look, hey, I gave you these 1099s and these were issued to the tax ID number for the business. These were issued to me personally. Now those that were issued to you personally, listen very closely. The 1099s that were issued to you personally, you need to report on your personal income tax return, okay? But again, you need to get with your accountant to make sure you're not double counting the income. Because if you forget and you neglect or just say, you know what, I already picked up this income, I'm not going to pick it up. I'm not going to pick it up when I do my personal taxes. Well, the IRS doesn't know that you already picked it up. So you have to map that income through your return and notify the IRS that, hey, this 1099 was issued to me, but I've already picked it up over here. So that's one key point that you should definitely know and pick up about 1099s, just to make sure that you're not double counting. So rule number one, when you're issued a 1099, make sure that 1099, you know who that 1099 is issued to. Is the 1099 issued to your business, or is the 1099 issued to your personal Social Security number? All right. This is such a big question that I get so much throughout the week as I'm doing the taxes. I say, they're like, okay, I got these 1099s. Did we forget to report it? No, we did not forget to report it if we did the accounting. Next. All right, so you know that you work for someone or someone paid you throughout 2020, but you have not yet received your 2020 1099. What do? Do you report the income? Well, you got the income. So rather waiting for the 1099, knowing good and well that the people may or may not report the 1099, but you don't want to get caught into sticky situations, right? You want to make sure that you've reported the income that you've earned. If it's business income, now if it's a gifts you don't have to report, okay, up to $14,000. There is a gift number, but gifts you don't have to report. Gifts are gifts. Gifts are not taxable. Gifts are gifts. But if someone pays you, the government expects for you to report the income, whether you received a 1099 or not. Because what if the person issues a 1099 and it ends up on your wage and income transcript, but you didn't report it? You want to make sure that you show that you've reported all your income. All right, what was the other question that I said that I was going to answer for you guys this week? I get so many questions about 1099s. You guys hit me in the comment section if you have any questions about 1099. Oh, penalties. What happens if you don't file the 1099 on purpose. I'm sorry, not on purpose. What happens if you have been so inundated like me and you have not yet filed your 1099? All right, there are penalties. Yes, there are penalties, and I've already pulled them up. I'm going to read them directly from the IRS site. Yeah, I pulled it up. Okay, as you guys know, 1099s are due by January 31st. If you don't get your 1099s out by January 31st, you're not going to jail. But there is penalties. You will get assessed a penalty, and the penalty is $50 per return. That is 30 days late. That's $50 per return. That's 30 days late. When your return is over 30 days late, 31 days late, but before August 1st, is $110 per return. All right, the maximum penalty, guys, y'all ready for this? It's a really big number. If you're 30 days late, the maximum penalty, the penalty is, of course, per return, is $556,500. The penalty, if you're more than 30 days late, between 31 days late up through August 1st, the penalty is $110 up to $1.7 million. Actually, it's $1,669,500. Now, if you're over the August 1st deadline, the penalty is $270 per return, or if you never file it, the penalty is $270 per return. Intentional disregard for not filing the return is $550 per return. So if you never file a 1099 and you were supposed to file it as a business owner, and you are supposed to file it to contractors that you pay over $600, the penalty is $550 per return you did not file, and there's no limit if you just intentionally disregard it, right? But if you did not intentionally disregard and you didn't file it, it's $270 per return, and your 1096 is a return. All right, that's for 2020. There are different penalties for other years. You can find the penalties on the IRS website. All right, let me see if y'all got any questions for me. Let me go back. Good morning, Great Beyond 28, Joey Jackson. All right, y'all. That's what I got for y'all this week. Don't forget, you know what? It is February 26th. March 15th is the S Corporation and C Corporation and Partnership tax deadline, y'all. That means that we only have 17 days to get your taxes done. Now, if you want to get your taxes done with us, fill out the client information sheet, and I'll drop the link because we do have extensions that we are filing. You know, to file the business extensions for the business returns is $99, and I think our personal extensions are either $25 or $50, but I will drop all the information in. Y'all, I know the time is going by really, really fast, and don't rush to do your taxes because the time is even stuck up on me. Don't rush. If you need to take your time and find more deductions, go ahead and file the extension. What you need to do then is make sure that you file the taxes on time, like paid it, because there is not an extension of time to pay those taxes. If you owe the government and you're an 1120 C corporation, you need to go ahead and pay your taxes by March 15th so you don't get the penalty for failure to pay. Now, if you're individual, you have until April 15th. So let's add 31 days to the 18 days that I said we have. And the tax returns are due in less than, 60 days? Y'all, we got to get these taxes done. We got to get these taxes in. Good morning, Chantel. Good morning, Nehemiah. Hey, y'all, we got to get these taxes in. We got to get it done. And give me a call if you need your taxes done. We are taking appointments still. We have no appointments for this week, but I think we have some for next week. And I have sprinkled a few Saturdays in there if you need to come in and on a Saturday and some rare Sundays. Next Saturday, I will not be working or taking appointments. Maybe one of my other partners will do it. One of our CPAs may do it. She may take clients, but I'm not taking clients because I actually will be attending a conference with my one of my masterminds, and I also will be on the Black Experts panel. I'm very excited about it. I'll drop some of that information here also in case you guys want to join it. Let me actually see if I could pull that up so you guys could go ahead and join it if you want to join it. It's a free expert panel. It is power packed, full of experts that for your business that will help you build wealth in your business. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Actually, it's www.blackexpertsweekend.com. Oh, that was easy. All right, y'all. Here you go. www.blackexpertsweekend.com. There you go. All right, you guys could join. It's free. I think you could go ahead and register. It is next weekend. I think I'll be going on about 10 o'clock in the morning. So if you want to join me, yes, it's going to be legal, accounting, and taxes. Oh my, is my topic for next Saturday. It's legal, accounting, taxes. Oh my! And y'all know how I feel about my FIT system. So it all is all in line with my FIT systems for financials, infrastructure, incorporation, taxes, tax preparation, and tax resolution, right? It's my whole FIT program. So they gave me a cute little title to talk about it. Thank you to Dr. Boyce Watkins and Lawrence. Thank you guys for inviting me to be a part of the Black Experts Weekend. I'm so blessed. Y'all, please join. If you want to catch my session, I think I'm 10 o'clock. I'll let you guys specifically know next Friday, but register. And next week for Business Convos and Coffee, I have a special treat. We will be talking about getting paid, paying yourself, and knowing that the government has been caring, y'all. There's government contracting out there for you to get access to before the pandemic. Your business may qualify for government contracts. So the government has been caring about small business. We will be talking to expert Akia Hardnett of the Chameleon Global Group. She is an expert. She has taken entrepreneurs all the way to receiving contracts for the government, getting them access to millions of dollars, and she's going to bless us here at Business Convos and Coffee. She's going to come and talk to her girl, me, as we talk to you guys and give you guys the information that she wants to share to help you get access to money outside of PPP, outside of EIDL, outside of borrowing money. There is money out there for us as small business owners, and we just got to get access to it, guys. I'm here to help you do that. That's all I have for y'all today. I gotta get to work. I love y'all so much. Thank you for joining me again today. I feel so blessed to actually even be able to show up and be here. I may not come when you want me, but I'm here on time, y'all. I'm an on-time accountant. Yes, I am. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for joining me this morning for Convos and Coffee. Don't forget to move your profit in the right direction, and that's up. Y'all stay blessed. I love you guys. And I am Spiceda Jackson, the accountant you want to work with when you want to build, scale, sell, structure, and move your business up one day. All right, y'all have a blessed day. Bye.